Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first stop, open up settings, tap on it. And once you're on the settings section, just gotta scroll down a bit, find accessibility, tap on it. Down here, go ahead and scroll down a bit once more and just select touch, which is right here. Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find call audio routing. So what you do is just tap on it. Now go ahead and select speakers, okay? By default, it is set to automatic. Just basically tap on speaker right here. To make calls, automatically use the loudspeaker. And that is it. That's how simple it is to enable automatic speaker on iPhone during calls. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.